How much are LG Smart TVs? LG Smart TV prices vary depending on the screen size, display technology, and features. Budget models start at around $150 to $300. Mid-range models range between $400 to $1,000, and high-end OLED or QNED models can cost $1,200 to over $3,000. The price also depends on factors like resolution, refresh rate, and smart features. 1. Price range of budget LG Smart TVs. Entry-level LG Smart TVs, usually 32 to 43 inches, are priced between $150 and $300. These models typically have full HD or basic 4K resolution with standard smart features. They are suitable for small rooms, casual viewing, and streaming content. Second, mid-range LG Smart TVs. Mid-range LG TVs with screen sizes from 50 to 65 inches cost between $400 and $1,000. These models usually feature 4K UHD resolution, HDR support, and WebOS smart features. They provide better picture quality and are ideal for home entertainment setups. 3. High-end OLED and QNED LG Smart TVs. Premium LG Smart TVs such as OLED and QNED models start at $1,200 and can exceed $3,000 for larger sizes and advanced features. OLED TVs offer superior contrast, deep blacks, and high refresh rates, making them perfect for cinematic viewing and gaming. Fourth, factors affecting LG TV prices. The price of an LG Smart TV depends on screen size, display type, LED, QLED, OLED, refresh rate, 60 Hz versus 120 Hz, and additional smart features like AI processing and voice control. Larger screens and higher-end technology lead to higher prices. 5. Where to buy and find deals. LG Smart TVs are available at electronics stores, online retailers, and LG's official website. Prices may vary based on discounts, seasonal sales, and promotions. Shopping during events like Black Friday or holiday sales can help get the best deals. LG Smart TV prices range from $150 for budget models to over $3,000 for high-end OLED versions. The best choice depends on your budget, screen size preference, and desired features. Looking for sales and discounts can help save money on a high-quality LG Smart TV.